Hey, Egg Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. Well, it's that time of year again. The frost is coming next week. It's currently cloudy and rainy. And best of all, it is harvest time. So, what in the world would an urban farmer like myself be doing around Halloween other than harvesting jack-o'-lanterns? Now, you might have noticed on this channel that we're really into the strange and the weird plants. We're into plants that glow in the dark like the firefly petunias and things that are hybridized and eat bugs and just the bizarre, weird plants out there. And I wanted to kind of show you one of the newest plants to hit the market, which is a genetically engineered pumpkin plant that's pretty special. Now, it's special in that, you know, a traditional pumpkin plant, you're only going to get these little orange ones, and they're okay. And this one's a pie pumpkin, even though it doesn't look much like a pie. And it doesn't taste like a pie. And, you know, I'm kind of the boring, in a hurry guy that just doesn't want to wait. So I found a very special breed of pumpkin that actually has jack-o'-lanterns completely done for you. And some of them even glow in the dark. I mean, they're awesome. So instead of just having like these strange orange colored individual globes for pumpkins, they come in a variety of colors. Just like if you've ever seen the, what is it? There's a chicken that has like rainbow colored eggs. There's pink ones and blue ones. And it's the Easter egg chicken. But it lays multicolored shelled eggs, and it's really, really cool. So I found this very, very, very special pumpkin plant. And it has multicolored pumpkins. I mean, some pretty cool pumpkins. And it just depends on which one you pick to what color you get. Now, you got to be careful because like any pumpkin plant, it does have green ones, and not everybody likes the green ones. So we want to have pumpkins of different colors, but we definitely want that jack-o'-lantern face. And, you know, they've been engineered to have that jack-o'-lantern face. Not only that, but like unlike a traditional pumpkin, that if you were to carry that around with you on Halloween, it's heavy and it's all gooey, and you're not going to want to put your candy in it, and like candles will like smell like a half-baked pumpkin pie. These are much specialer. Yep. So tell you what, it is time to harvest them. I think we have a few dozen of them to harvest, so I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to grab one of my bulb crates, and then we're going to go ahead to our pumpkin vine, which is right here behind me, and we're going to harvest some of these special genetically engineered pumpkins, because I bet you always wondered where they came from. I mean, it's not like jack-o'-lanterns carve themselves, or do they? But I really love one that, well, maybe they do carve themselves. Well, come on. Let's take a look and see. And I'll let you see what colors they come in. It's pretty cool if you ask me. So it's a little bit drippy, and I've got my bulb crate, so we're going to start collecting them in the bulb crate. And I don't know where my clippers went, but I could probably break them off the stem. Let me show you what they look like when they're green, and then we'll see if we can find some ripe ones. Because the ones that are getting close to turning like orange and all the really cool colors, they're a lot lighter than the ones here. But let's go ahead and put this down, and we'll take a look at some of them pumpkins. So here we go. Here we have one of our pumpkins. Now it's starting to turn orange, but we've still got 2 weeks left till Halloween. So I'm probably going to leave this one here because this one is definitely not ripe, and it's not quite as big as I want. And the handle hasn't split yet, so it's still straight, and we want that to split so we can carry that around with us. So we're gonna go ahead and leave this one here and let it ripen up a little bit more. I hope you can spot this one. Yeah, let me go find my clippers and see if I can get those so we can harvest that one. All right, I got my clippers. That should be ready. Let's go in here and let's get this one. Let's get. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that one. Look at that. The face is already developed on it. Oh, that is so cool. I like this one. And the handle is split. It's perfect. All right. I think I spotted another one. Oh, you know, if you blow on them, yeah, the face appears. Sometimes it's got dust on the front. You can't see it. Oh, there's another one. Yep, there we go. There's that face. It appears when you blow on them. Let's look a little bit closer and see if we can find any of the other colored ones. Ah, I found a green one. One of the green ones. It's a ripe green one, which is pretty cool. So let me get that one. Ah, it's a little stuck. There it is. There's a green one. Let's put that one in the basket. You know, there's more than just green. I see one down here that's pretty cool. I found a pink one. Oh. This one doesn't want to come. It's wrapped around the vine. There it is. Look at that crazy face on the pink one. Can you see the blue ones? I can see the blue ones. I got 2 of them. There we it's not twins. They're completely different. We've got the crazy face and the standard. Awesome find. These are so cool growing like this. All right, let's keep going. Let's see what else we can find. I spy with my little eye another orange one. Oh, there we go. Traditional face orange. That's a good one. That is a good one. Oh, looks like the Gophers got to that one. See if we can find another. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, got to rub this one off. It's a little dirty. There we go. There's a face on that one. Okay, I'm gonna go to the back of the patch and see if we can find something else here. Oh, it's the ultra rare super purple. The face hasn't developed. We got to clean it off. There's the face. Look at that. A traditional. It's a twofer. A pink with a fully developed face on it. Awesome. I definitely have to add these to our pumpkin pile. Yeah, those are cool. Well, I think we have one more to fill out our crate. There we go. I think that's the last one, is this standard orange. Well, don't let anybody ever tell you to give up on your dreams, because if you work real hard during the summer and you plant the right seed and you water and fertilize at the right time, you too can get one of these bioengineered plastic pumpkin plants. And these are great because they've got the face on them already. They're hollow on the inside. They're about the perfect size so you don't get too tired when you're hauling your candy around. And look at this wonderful crate. I guess, if we added one more, this would be ready to go to market right now. Well, let's go see if we can fit one in there. There we go. Line those all up. Make them all nice and pretty. Get good presentation. And I'm pretty sure that this crate of pumpkins is ready to go to a store near me. I think they'll be pretty happy, just as I think you would be pretty happy if you were able to grow these in your backyard too. Anyway, I hope that you have enjoyed, just like me, learning how to grow bioengineered plastic pumpkin plants in your backyard. Remember, you got to use the right water, the right fertilizer, the right soil, and the right growing conditions. And then you too can have a bounty just like this. I mean, isn't this fantastic and wonderful? I really love the way this year's pumpkin crop turned out, and I'm glad that you followed along during our entire growing season to learn about these special bioengineered pumpkin plants. Jack-o'-lantern already done, just ready to go and put out for Halloween. If you look really hard for the seed, you're going to find it. I don't know if you're going to find it like Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart, but I bet you if you could find that same website I found, which was like holiday season surprise and pumpkins and plastic.netcom or something or other. Anyway, it was a cool website. I can't seem to find it again. But anyway, great seed, and look at the size of this crop. Anyway, as always, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. And, I hope you subscribe too. Ag Teacher Thoughts, out.